Hello students, welcome to online class. How are you all? I hope you are all safe and healthy. Okay students, what did we learn in last class? Very good. Addition and subtraction using in pictorial method and abstract method. Okay, today we are going to the topic is addition word problems. Okay, addition word problems. Okay students, please see the slide. So unit 2 addition word problems. Okay, so words for addition. Okay, students, please see the slide. Words for addition. So first one, altogether, sum, add, both, total, increase, join, plus. Okay students, so words for addition. Okay, these names are altogether, sum, add, both, total, increase, join, plus. Okay, so next slide. So steps. So what are the steps? So identify the numbers and keywords in the question. Okay students, first you read the question, then you follow the steps. Okay, so first step, identify the numbers and keywords in the question. So it's the first step. So second one, identify what is being asked in the question. Okay, so second step, identify what is being asked in the question. Okay students, so third step, draw to understand. So what is the third step? Very good, draw to understand. So fourth step, identify the operation. Okay, so fourth one, identify the operation. So fifth step, solve and write the answer. So fifth one, solve and write the answer. Okay students, so these all steps following in the addition word problems. Okay, so first step, identify the numbers and keywords in the question. Second step, identify what is being asked in the question. Asked in the question. Okay. So third one, draw to understand. So fourth step, identify the operation. Okay. So which operation? Okay. What are the four basic operations in mathematics? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay students. So last step, solve and write the answer. Okay. So next slide. So students, please listen carefully. Please see the slide. So first sum. Vicky has 220 stamps. His Hasim gave him 143 more stamps. More means increase. So how many stamps does Vicky have in all? Students, you know stamps? Students, please see the slide. Please see the board, students. So what is this? This is stamps. Okay. So this is stamps. So this is stamps. So Vicky has 220 stamps. Vicky has 220 stamps. So I have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stamps. Okay. So next, his Hasim gave him 143 more stamps. Okay. How many stamps does Vicky have in all? Okay. So this is a addition word problem. Okay, so students, please listen carefully. See the board. So what is the number of stamps Vicky has? Students, very good, 220. Okay, so first, number of stamps. Number of stamps. Number of stamps that Vicky has how many stamps? Students, you read the first line. Vicky has 220 stamps. So, how many stamps? Very good. 220. Okay, here 220 stamps. Okay, so students, please read the second line. His Hasin gave him 143 more stamps. His Hasin gave him 143 more stamps. 143 more stamps. So, the number of stamps the number of stamps given by Kasim. How many stamps? Read the second line. Very good. 143. Okay, students, 143. So, what is the question? How many stamps does Vicky have in all? Okay, so this is a addition word problem. So, adding. So, total number of total stamps. Okay. So, number of stamps that Vicky has 220. Okay, 220 stamps. Next, the number of the stamps given by Kasim. How many stamps? 143 stamps. So, what is the question? So, total stamps. So, 220 plus 143. Okay, students. Now, we go to add these numbers. 220. Okay, 220 plus 143. So students, please see the board. How many digits? Very good. 3 digits. Ones, tens, 100. Okay. So this number also ones, tens, 100. Okay. Add these two numbers. So 0 plus 3. Very good. 3. So 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the answer? Very good. 6. So 2 plus 1, 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger. So 2 after plus 1. Very good. 3. So now we get the answer 363. Okay, students. So 220 plus 143. So we get the answer 363. So 363 stamps. Okay, students. So students, please see the slide. So Vicky has 220 stamps. His Hasin gave him 143 more stamps. So how many stamps does Vicky have in all? Okay, students, please see the board. So number of stamps that Vicky has 220. Okay, so number of stamps that Vicky has, how many stamps? Very good, 220. So next one, the number of the stamps given by Kasim. Okay, how many stamps? Very good, 143. Okay, so what is the question? So total number of stamps. So what is the total number of stamps? So 220 plus 143. So add 220 plus 143. So now we get this answer 363 stamps. Okay, 363 stamps. Okay, students, do you understand this sum? Okay, shall I move to next slide? Okay, students, please see the slide. So what is this? Very good. A school had, so second question, a school had 450 boys. Okay, a school had 450 boys and 524 girls. How many girls? Very good. 524 girls. Okay. So find the total number of students in this school. So what is the question? Find the total number. So keyword. What is the keyword? Total. Total means adding. Adding. Okay. Okay. Students, please see the board. Okay, what is the question? A school had 450 boys. So, number of boys. How many boys? Students, how many? Very good. 450 boys. Okay, so and 524 girls. So, number of girls. How many girls? Very good. 524. So, what is the question? Students, see the third line. So, total number of students. What is the total number of students? How to calculate? Very good. Adding. So, total number of students. Okay. 450 plus 524. Am I right? 450 plus 524. Okay, students? So, number of boys 450. Okay? So, number of girls 524. So, what is the question? So, total number of students in this school. Okay? So, total number of students. So, 450. So, use this rougher phrase. Okay, students? So, 450, 524. Okay? So, how many digits? Very good. 3 digits. Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens and 100. Okay? So, 0 plus 4. Very good. 4. Okay, 5 plus 2, 5 in the mind, rise up 2 fingers, 2 after, 5 after, 6, 7. So what is the answer? 7. Okay students, so what is the next number? 100 place values? 4 and 5. So 4 in the mind, rise up in the 5 fingers. So 4 after, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. So now we get the answer 974. So what is the answer? 974. So 450 plus 524. Now we get the answer 974 students. Okay, so total number of the students 974. Okay, students, please see the slide. A school had 450 boys and 524 girls. So find the total number of students in this school. Okay, students, see the board. So number of boys 450. Okay, how many boys? 450. Very good. So number of girls 524. So what is the question? Total number of students. So total number of students 450 plus 524. Now we get the answer 974 students. Okay students, do you understand this sum? Okay, shall I move to next slide? Okay, a factory made 215 bulbs on the first day. Okay, so on the second day it made 357 bulbs. So how many bulbs did the factory make altogether? Okay, so what is the keyword of this question? Students, you identify? Very good, super. Altogether, super. So students, please see the board. Okay students, please see the slide. A factory made 215 bulbs on the first day. Okay, so the first day 215 bulbs. Okay, so on the second day it made 357 bulbs. Okay, so second day 357 bulbs. So what is the question? How many bulbs did the factory make altogether? Okay, students, please see the board. Bulbs. So bulbs made on first day. How many bulbs? Very good. 215. 215 bulbs. Okay, students. So next, read the second line. Second day it made 357 bulbs. Okay. So bulbs made on second day. So what is the second day bulbs made on second day? 357. 357. So what is the question? Very good. How many bulbs did the factory make altogether? So students, please see the board. Bulbs made on first day 215. Okay. So second, bulbs made on second day 357. So what is the question? How many bulbs did the factory make altogether? So total number of bulbs are altogether. Okay. Total number of bulbs. Okay, so how to calculate? Very good. Addition. 215 plus 357. So 215 plus 357. 357. So first to identify the place value. Ones, tens, 100. So add this ones place value. So 5 plus 7. So 5 in the mind. Okay. 7 in the finger. So 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is the answer? 12. So write in it 2. Okay, you take over the 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5. What is the value of 2 plus 5? Very good. 7. Okay, so next 100 place values 2 and 3. So 2 in the mind, you take the 3 fingers. So 2 after 3, 4 and 5. Very good. So what is the answer? So 572. So now we get the answer 572. So 572 bulbs. Okay, so students, please see the slide. So a factory made 215 bulbs on the first day. On the second day, it made 357 bulbs. So how many bulbs did the factory make altogether? Students, see the board. So first one, bulbs made on the first day, 215. So second, bulbs made on the second day, 557. So what is the question? How many bulbs did the factory make altogether? Okay, so total number of bulbs 215 plus 357. Okay, so now we get the answer 572 bulbs. Okay, students, do you understand this sum? Okay, shall I move to next slide? So what is this? Candle. So what is this? Candle. Okay. So students, please see the slide. So a shopkeeper Ram had 153 candles. How many candles? 153 candles. So Part gave him 256 more candles. So how many candles does Ram have now? Okay, students, see the board. So students, please see the slide. A shopkeeper, Ram, okay, had 153 candles. How many candles? 153 candles. Okay, so Parth gave him 256 more candles. More means very good, increase. Okay, candles. So, how many candles does Ram have now? Okay, students, see the board. So number of candles. So what is this number? Fourth one. Okay. So number of candles. Number of candles that Ram has. How many candles? Read the first line, first two lines. A shopkeeper, Ram had 153 candles. So 153. Okay, students. So read the second line. So Parth gave him 256 more candles. So number of candles given by Parth. Given by Parth. Okay. So read the third line. How many candles? 256. So 256. So read the last two lines. How many candles does Ram have now? So total. It's also total. So addition. So total candles. Total candles. Okay. So 153 plus 256. Okay, students. So 153, 256. Use in the rough place. Okay. So 153, 256. Okay. So first you identify 1 tens 100. So 3-digit number. So now we add to 3-digit number 3 plus 6. Okay. 3 in the mind. Rise up in the 6 fingers. So 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 6 plus 3 plus 6, 9. Okay. So 5 plus 5, you know that 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5. What is the answer? 10. Very good. So 10. So 10 is 2-digit value. To write in the ones place value 0. To take over the 1. So adding x place. Okay. So 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. 2 plus 2. What is the answer? Very good. 4. Okay, students. So now we get the answer 409. Okay. So number of candles that Ram has 153. Okay, 153 candles. And number of candles given by Parth. How many candles? Very good. 256 candles. So what is the question? Read the last two lines. How many candles does Ram have now? Okay. So total number of candles 153 plus 256. Okay, students. Now we go to add. So now get the answer 409. Okay, do you understand? Okay, students. So next slide. Okay. So what is this? Money. Okay, money picture. What is this? Money. Okay. So next sum. Students, what is this? Very good. This is money. So what is the first picture? 50 rupees. So second one, 100 rupees. So third one, 200 rupees. Okay. So 50, 100 and 200. Okay. Students, please see the slide. So Dora got rupees 325 from her father. Okay. 325 her father. Okay. So how okay students, please see this. So 300. So 200 plus 100, 300. Okay. Dora got rupees 325 from her father and 222 rupees from her mother. How much money does she give now? Okay. Students, please see the board. So please see the board. So Dora got rupees 325. Okay. So first the money given by Dora's father. The money given by Dora's father. Okay. How many rupees? 325 rupees. 325 rupees. Okay, students. So, what is the second line? You read the second line. So, her father and 222 rupees. Okay. So, the money given by Dora's mother. How many rupees, ma? Very good. 222 rupees. Okay. So read the last two lines. So what is the question? How much money does she have now? She have means அவள்கிட்ட எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? She have. So how to calculate the total? Okay. So total number of money. Total money 325 plus 222. Okay, 325, 222. Okay, use in the rough place. 325, 222. Okay, students. So finding the mind. Raise up the two fingers. After 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. Okay, so 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? 4. So 3 plus 2, 3 in the mind. Take the two fingers. So after 2, 4 and 5. So now we get the answer 547. Okay, students. So what is the question? Students, please see the slide. Okay, Dora got rupees 325 from her father. Okay, so and 222 rupees from her mother. Okay, father to 325 rupees. So mother gave 222 rupees. Okay, so what is the question? How much money does she have now? Okay, students, please see the board. So, the money given by Dora's father 325 rupees. So, the money given by Dora's mother 222 rupees. Here, the total number of money. So, total means addition. Okay, 325 plus 222. Now, we get the answer 547 rupees. So, Dora have how many rupees? Very good. 547 rupees. Okay, students? Do you understand? Okay. Okay. Okay, students. Thank you. Thank you all. So, all sums do in your worksheet. Okay. Do the sum. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you, my dears.